everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Christine and I am doing an Amazon unboxing of DOCOLOR. I think that's how you pronounce it, but this is it. This is the Enchanted eyeshadow palette, and there's 12 of them. There are 6 shimmers and 6 mattes. So when you open it up, it's a cardboard case, just like this. It came in this. So when I open it up, it was wrapped in here and with this as well, and then the box. This was $9.99 Canadian dollars when I purchased this, and when you open it up, it looks like this. It has the mirror right there, and there is a brush there as well. I don't want to blind you guys, but there's the brush, and it has both ends has, as you can see, it's got the bristles on them right there. Okay, so when you open this up, it's got these there to put them on top of here. So I guess it keeps them from coming out. That's interesting. While it's getting shipped or something. I assume that's what those are for. Let me put this here just so it's not so bright. Just like that. And so the shimmers are here, and the ones at the bottom are the matte shadows. And here's the brush. It says DOCOLOR, the middle right there, and here's the bristles on one end and in the other. This one is shorter and this one is longer. Here's the top view of it, so you get an idea how the hair is, and the other side right here. This one feels more synthetic, but other than that, they both feel fine. They're soft too and slightly dense. Just to get an idea how it is. And I'll do that with the other side as well. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna do the swatches right now. I'm gonna start with the top part. It's a little messy with the powder on it, but that's just from shipping. So I'm gonna start here and across. So I'm gonna do the shimmers first, and I'm gonna take off all these little things that's there. It's acrylic, it's not glass. Okay. I'm gonna swatch right there. Oh, that's pretty. So this is peach, that's pink, and that's like a champagne gold right there. Very pretty. And I noticed when I swatched the middle one, see how it just made a dent right there, so it's super soft. I'm gonna go do the next 3 right here. And what I noticed with this one here, it's glitter. Right there. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. And surprisingly, it doesn't come off. It's stuck there. So this is, it's kind of black, gold, and greenish tone when I look at it, because it's got the specks of that shade. And this one right here, it's really pretty too. It's almost like a combination of this 2 shades, the pink and the peach, and they came out with that one. Very pretty. And so now I'm gonna go start with these here. Just like that. There you go. This is a light brown. This is kind of like a brulee, kind of like vanilla yellowish, and this one has a peach tone to it. So this is yellowish and this is a peach tone. And the last three are here. Wow, that swatched very nice. This is black and this is reddish. And this one is kind of like a rust color right here with an orange tone to it. It's very pretty, but as you can see, these are the swatches. And they also have the names on these. So the shimmer ones are called Starlight, Glowing Star, Mystical, Enchanted, Lure, and Phantom. This is Stone, Sandus, Henna, Lava, Ugo, or Yugo, one of those two, and Onyx. There you go, and here are the swatches again. And for $9.99, that is not bad, and you know, it's worth checking it out. And if you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later.